Okay, so some people still need some additional practice with using the systems of equations within Trig. So here's a setup. We have these two little girls. They were in their geometry classroom, but one girl said to the other, "Cash me outside. Let's use some Trig to measure that tree." So the other one agreed, and they went outside, and they stood 25 feet apart. And the one that's farther from the tree was looking up at an angle of elevation of 44 degrees, where she could spy the top of that tree. And the closer one was looking up at an angle of elevation of 65 degrees to spy the top of the tree. Each girl was 6 feet tall, so we had a pair of tall girls out there looking for what would the height of the tree be. Press pause on this video and work the problem on your own paper, then unpause the video and see if my solution and your solution agree. Okay, so you should have written the statement that the tangent of 65 degrees is equal to x over y. And you should have solved that out for the x by multiplying through by the y. So x is equal to y times the tangent of 65. And that is your first equation. Then you could have written that the tangent of 44 degrees is equal to x over 25 plus y. In order to eliminate that denominator, you need to multiply through by it to both sides. So we're taking this tangent of 44 and multiplying it by the 25 as well as the y. So we are going to get the statement that x equals 25 times the tangent of 44 plus y times the tangent of 44 as our second equation. And again, in that one, I was multiplying both sides by 25 plus y, and then I distributed. So now I have two equations that are both equal to x, so I can set them equal to one another. So y tangent 65 equals 25 tangent 44 plus y tangent 44. Now you can keep manipulating the equation, still keeping it in using the tan, but a lot of people would like to go ahead and solve that into its decimal form here. So the tangent of 65, we're going to get to 2.14451. Again, several spots past the decimal for accuracy, times the y. 25 times the tangent of 44, 24.1422. And y times the tangent of 44 is 0.96569 y. So we want to get our y's together, so we're going to subtract that over from this side and rewrite at 1.17882y equals this value, bring it down, 24.1422. Divide through to solve for y, and y is going to equal 20.47997. That, of course, is the y value. We want the x for the height. So the x is equal to y times the tangent of 65, according to our first equation, but plug that into the y. So 20.47997 times the tangent of 65 is going to give me an x value of 43.9. This is the height to eye level because they're sighting from their eyes, obviously. So we need to go ahead and add the height to their eyeballs so that the tree can hit the ground. Otherwise, the tree would be floating up there at eye level. So we get 49.9 feet for the height of the tree. So how about you ask a friend to cash you outside and do some trig?